guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so very much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day today. Guys, we're not even going to waste any time. We're just going to get straight into this advent calendar. I'm super excited. This is the Disney Minnie Mouse 12 Days Bath and Body Mad Beauty Advent Calendar. I am super excited about this. Guys, just an FYI. I purchased this advent calendar. I got it on sale at £10. However, I do believe they're selling at 20. I think £20 for a 12-day advent calendar is excessive. However, I guess we'll judge at the end when we have everything opened. But we're going to go straight ahead and open day one. Finding day one. Where is it? Can you guys see? Can you see? Oh my gosh, I would struggle with these. Day one here. So we have day one right at Minnie's ear. I'm going to try my very best not to destroy this calendar. However, there are absolutely zero guarantees. They do put a little lip on the bottom. I'm just going to have to destroy it a little bit, I think. They do put a little lip on the bottom, and I think I pushed it in, so it made it more difficult to open box or open part one, but I think that's more my fault than anything. Okay, so day one, we get a Minnie Mouse cherry, not my favorite flavor, or not my favorite scent, lip balm. It's just a little white lip balm. It is absolutely cherry, but how cute and adorable is that little Minnie Mouse packaging? Cute. Day two is right here, easier for me to find. Again, not so easy. Oh my gosh, one of my little pet peeves, especially if you're going to sell a calendar, is getting these emery boards. They're cheap. They are, honestly, they're also hard to get out of the package without ripping it. Guys, I'd probably show you that one closer to the end, but one of my pet peeves is definitely getting these little mini emery boards. I mean, they're cheap, especially for £20. I definitely think that for me is always a no-no. However, we're going to move on to day three. Guys, I will show you that when I do the end of the calendar. I'm just don't want to destroy it getting it out of the box. When we have it done, I'll open the packaging, pop it out and show you guys. But day three is a bigger box right down here. Okay, pretty standard. A little pack of, actually not so much a bad pack of bath salts. This would be enough for one bath, I would assume. It really smells gorgeous. This is cranberry scented. Again, I'm loving the little packaging. This is so fruity, so I'm so not mad at that. I think we've definitely got two products so far that are pretty reasonable. One that sucks. I don't know, but you guys let me know in the comment section below what you think about getting tiny mini emery boards in an advent calendar. It is definitely not for me. Let's go ahead and open number 4. Oh my gosh. Okay, talk about pet peeve. Getting one emery board is bad enough. Getting 2 emery boards really sucks. Again, guys, I'll show you that at the end of the video. But I do like the little Minnie Mouse pattern. I mean, I think that makes up for the fact that we got two emery boards. Pretty sucky. But we're going to move on ahead to number 5, which is right here. If this is another emery board, it isn't. I was honestly going to cry. We do have another lip balm. I like the fact, the other lip balm rolled away. I do like the fact that they're different, so that's pretty nice. This little one is vanilla. Again, vanilla. I like vanilla. It's so vanilla-y, if that's a word. I'm loving the little packaging. What are we getting? We're getting 4 grams. I mean, I don't think that's bad for an advent calendar. We're definitely 3 for 5 at the moment, I think. We're going to pop down here to number 6. Okay, this is a bit of a bigger box right down here by Minnie's Little Feet. We will try our hardest to get this out. Okay, nicer product, I think. We've got this adorably cute Minnie Mouse body lotion. You're getting 30 ml. I think that's pretty good. This is in vanilla. Hopefully it's sealed. It is sealed. I won't open that. I don't intend to keep these products, but how cute and adorable is this? I think this is so pretty. We're going to go right on head to number 7, I think we're at. Number 6, we're going to go to number 7, which is right smack here in the middle. And another thing that I do not like getting in, I don't like getting in advent calendars, but I guess it's pretty typical for this type of calendar, is a little scrunchie that you shower with. These are garbage. They're not great value, nor are they good quality. So that's a bit sucky. I mean, I think relatively speaking, we're doing not so bad with the good items versus what we're getting for what I would say isn't the greatest items. But we're going to go ahead and move to door number 8, which is right here, and see what other fab little products they've given us. Okay, I am destroying door number 8, which is perfectly okay. Okay, so this isn't coming out of the box. Oh my gosh. You know, I'm not even going to complain that they're in there well, because I detest also advent calendars where everything moves around. I hate missing spaces. I don't know if that's an OCD thing, but it drives me insane. I'm not mad at getting a little mini bath fizzer. This again is cranberry. It smells so fruity and so nice. I am sure that this is packed full of scent. It's 30 grams, so I'm so not mad at that. And I think so far, other than the 3 items that I think are not great, I think we're doing well. Because I've forgotten what number we were at. I think we were at number 8? Number 8, we have 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, so we're going to go up here and open number 9. If I can get number 9 open. Okay, we have, oh my gosh, this is so stinking cute. We have the most adorable little Minnie Mouse cranberry hand cream. Again, I hope this is sealed. It so is. That is pretty awesome. Not a bad little size for a hand cream. It's 25 ml. It matches our little lip balm perfectly, except we have cherry and cranberry, but the little packaging is quite similar. And I think that is so cute and adorable. We're going to go on to day 11. No, we're going to go on to day 10. Did I do 9? 9, 10. So we're going to pop open on number 10. I'm going to try not to disrupt number 11. And pop all the garbage right over there. I'm going to pop these little bits here so you guys can see our fun little products. And you guys know that inside these advent calendars, you never get a full-size product. That's okay by me. But we have got, oh my gosh, this one seems a little wet. I don't know if it has gotten wet, or it seems like there's a little something on there. I'm not sure, but this is another set. You can definitely tell something's got at it because the little tabs are coming off, but that's not bad. This is another little bath salt set. I cannot make out the actual scent because something has distorted the packaging. But it's vanilla because you can smell it a mile away. So we've got another little vanilla bath salts. Cute, cute, cute. We're going to go and check out number 11. Number 11 seems a little bit bigger. So let's see what we've got in 11. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. So we have a little body wash. We've got 30 mils. So we now have our little body lotion and our body wash. Well, that is so stinking adorable. Nice little beauty products. And the last one, before we take out the emery boards and have a look, the last one is number 12. Number 12 doesn't seem so big, but we're going to just rip right into it because we're going to pull the rest of our advent calendar out. Okay, we have another bath fizzer. This bath fizzer is in vanilla. So I'm assuming that the thread is vanilla, cranberry, and cherry. Still, again, not mad at it. I'm loving the little mini packaging. Super, super cute. I'm so disappointed by the little emery boards. I mean, they're cute little emery boards, but they are so tiny. So tiny. They're mini little emery boards. So guys, this is everything. If you guys can actually see, I'll pop you down. This is everything I got in the advent calendar. I mean, I don't think the little products are too bad. Would I pay £20 for it? I personally would not. Do I mind paying 10? No, I think for £10, I definitely got value for money. So I'm really, really happy. I do intend to give all these products away to the charity. I just love opening the calendars and letting you guys see what you get for your money. But I'm pretty happy with the calendar. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section below. Let me know if you think it's value for money or not. I would be really interested in your feedback and your comments. But in the interim, guys, if you like this video, please smash that like button. If you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you here. And don't forget about the notification bell to be notified of any of my future videos. Guys, trying to do videos that are a little bit faster than the ones I've been doing before. I think my videos are maybe a bit too long. So I'm trying to keep them as short as possible, hopefully under 12 minutes. So let me know if you guys like the shorter videos or you like the longer ones. I do try to cater for the kind of viewing you guys want. So definitely hit me up in the comments and let me know. In the interim, guys, have the most amazing day. Please stay safe. Please look out for each other. And I am going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye.